All right, guys, so quick and dirty on what I found to be the easiest way to replace the blade tensioner handle, knob, whatever you want to call it, shaft on a G0555. So the first thing you're going to want to do is on this side of the cover, you're going to have 4 Phillips head screws right there. Remove those bad boys. The next thing I found that you want to do is you're going to want to remove your guard. That just made it easier. 2 bolts right here. I probably didn't have to do that, but I did it anyway. Come on. Struggling. All right, remove your guard. Then what I did is I removed the wheel. Obviously your stuff's gonna be a little tighter than this. I just put this back together and I'm kind of recreating. All right, so then what you're gonna wanna do is you've got this piece here and this here are holding this and these 2 screws. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lose that screw. And I'm not going to lose this screw. All right. Then what you're going to want to do is take this off. Real simple. And then this is a little bit different, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to pull this plastic guard forward, move it out of the way, and then remove this. And at that point, the rear cover will come loose, come free. So then you've got this. In theory, you would have already released your blade tension. I think you probably already know how to do that if you've been using this saw. But what you want to do next is you want to try and get this unit out of there, right? So what I did was I removed this bolt. And that allows this whole unit to slide out. And now you can take your tensioner bolt out. Yeesh, it's in there. Take that out. You can slide this off. These bumps go up, remember that. And then you're free to do what you need to here. Just remember you'll want to replace these. These have to come with it. So what you'll do then is if you get this far, obviously you'll take your nut off. Take your washer and your tension indicator. Take those both out. Slide that off. Then you can spin these on your original. You'll be able to spin these off, put them on your new one just like this. And reassembly is the reverse. Put that in there. Put that there. Put that there. Take this nut, put that on there. And this nut is the tension is obviously based here. So slide this back in. Oh, you can put this on now or later, whatever. Slide that in just like that. Take this piece. This goes under here. Like that. Bolt. Washer. Nut. Tighten all that back up. This rides like that normally. What are we doing next? Oh, we need to put the top cover back in, I guess. So, take this. That can go in there. This can go in here. Take your screws that you tried not to lose. Take your handy dandy Amazon Basics screwdriver. This thing's awesome, by the way. I love it. 25 bucks or something like that. See if I can strip that out. Strip that out. You can tighten this by hand. Give her a little snug. This is plastic, so you don't want to go nuts with it. That goes there. Blade, that's just a blade guide, plastic blade guide. Spin this on here. Tighten that up a fuzz. Come back over here. Put your safety guard back on. Tighten these up. I need to go get a socket for this, but for the video, I'm not going to use a socket. I'm going to assume that you have a fully stocked shop and you can size sockets. Put that back, that's back. What do we have left? The top cover. Oh, we can put the wheel in. Drive wheel. This is not the drive wheel, actually. So that'll go in like that. Tighten this nut up here like this. Take this. Pop that in there like that. Line this up. Tighten that. Oh! Lose that one. Battery's getting a little dull on here. I need to charge it. It's cold too. All right. Then pop your belt back in, or your blade, and you're off to the races. You can tension again. Get all the tension you need right there. All right then. Thanks for watching.